Hello, today we will guide you through how to use GoCharting Renko Chart. To begin, open GoCharting and head to the Trading Hub. This is where you can access the charting workspace and other trading tools. If you are new to the platform, this area acts as the main entry point for launching the chart interface, so it is the right place to start before making any chart changes. Once you are in the Trading Hub, click on Launch GoCharting Free. This will open the charting terminal where you can work with live market charts and different chart styles. Depending on your internet speed or device, it may take a few moments for the interface to fully load, so give it a second if needed. After the terminal opens, move your attention to the upper left area of the screen. There you will see the Charts dropdown. Click on that dropdown to view the available chart types. This menu is where you can switch between different visual formats, and each type is designed to help you analyze price movement in a slightly different way. From the chart type list, click on Renko. Renko charts are useful because they focus more on price movement and less on time, which can make trends appear cleaner and easier to follow. If you are monitoring market direction or trying to reduce some of the visual noise that appears on standard candlestick charts, this view can be especially helpful. After selecting Renko, wait a moment for the chart to load and apply the new format. Once it finishes updating, your Renko chart will be ready to use for monitoring. At this point, you can begin observing the chart and using it as part of your analysis workflow. As a quick tip, if the screen does not update immediately, simply give the platform a few extra seconds. Charting tools sometimes need a brief moment to refresh when switching display types. Also, make sure you are still looking at the correct chart area in the terminal so you can confirm the Renko format has been applied successfully. And that's it. You have now switched your chart to Renko in GoCharting and can start using it to monitor price action more clearly. With just a few clicks from the Trading Hub to the Chart Type menu, the process is simple and easy to repeat anytime you want to change your chart view.